Well, I got that old side door open to the shed. It's kind of rotting on the bottom there. I was thinking about rebuilding this door, just using the parts I've got and adding on little bits here and there. But that bottom part down there is definitely rotted. And I don't know, it's an old door. Doesn't look like it's ever been painted. But anyway, I've got a big mess in here. That's just a bunch of old cans there. But I've got stuff that's been in there for years and years and years and years that I'm going to be going through. A majority of the cardboard that's in there is going to go in my compost pile. I got some wood and stuff in there that'll probably go in the compost pile as well. But I've got, I don't know. This is the area in here. This part of my shed, just right on the inside of the store, is the area that I was considering turning into a chicken coop. And it'll be nice, undercover, out of the way, protected from other animals. I just have to keep them from digging underneath. Like right here, there's a spot where critters had dug underneath, so I need to fill that in. I got to get that tree. Got a couple of, man, these trees grew fast. Darn things. I gotta get them knocked down. Gotta cut them and probably dig them out by the roots. That's the only way to get rid of some of these trees, is actually dig their freaking roots out. And so they started out little bitty like this, and I ignored them, and then they became freaking giants. So I gotta come out here and dig up all these, get them up by the roots. Got a few of them over there to do too. And these vines, yeah, those things gotta go. But I got a lot of trash to get out of here. This is a shed project, and it's gonna turn into a chicken coop. And then where this door comes out, right here, not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna have it come out into like a nice screened in, or what do you call it, fenced in, screened in chicken run out here. And not really sure exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll come up with a couple of good ideas, and we'll make it work. But I definitely want to get chickens, and there will be a lot of times where I just let them roam free, because, man, there's a lot of room out here for them to roam free. And my neighbors across the street have chickens, and they roam free, and once in a while I'll have one come over here. Not very often, because they don't like going across the road. But if I have chickens over here, I can do my composting in that screened in area in the chicken run. I just put everything in there and let the chickens process it, and it'll probably turn out to even be better. But I'll have some rabbit hutches as well, and then under the rabbit hutches put worm bins, so that the worm poop, or not the worm poop, but the rabbit poop that falls down into the worm bins, the worms will chew it all up and turn it into worm poop. I'll have a whole lot of good chicken and worm compost. All right, let me get busy on this. I'm gonna make a dent in this.